oscilloscope on 2 volts, Y horizontal 0 volts, so that's 2 volts per square, and timing divisions, not sure what that is it half and 0.02 of a millisecond I think. Oscillator very well screened in a tin box. The feed through capacitor, I'll put the lid on. So we've got the Digilite wired up, got the ground from the oscilloscope clamped onto there. Now we're going to have a look at the oscillator, which is causing me grief. It's got one microfarad there. I don't know if you can see, it's strapped across the output of the 8 volts. I'm going to put the probe and the 8 volts out from the regulator, and this is what I get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's 8 volts. But look at the ripple. If I look at the input, I'll show you that. So that's the output again. Go to the input on the 8 volt reg, and that's there. So how many units is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's about 13.8 volts. That should be right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 13.8. Go to the output of the 5 volt reg. Sure enough, that's 2.5 squares, so that's 5 volt for certain. Input to the 5 volt reg is taken off the 8 volt. So as you can see, the input there is causing an issue. Not on the output, just on the input. On the output it's fine. So we've just got an output issue on the 8 volt regulator. It has got a 330 nanofarad on the input and a 1 microfarad on the output. So why is it oscillating like that? Not a clue.